Hiren Dev buys mangoes at rupees 200 per 100. At what price should he sell per piece in order to make a profit of 20% despite of a 20% decay? Now, Hiren Dev's total cost price is 200 rupees. Now he wants a profit of 20%. That means he wants a profit of 20% of 200. That is 40 rupees. That means his total selling price needs to be 240 rupees. Now, in total, Hiren Dev has bought 100 mangoes, but there is a decay of 20%. So therefore, he is able to sell only 100 minus 20, that is only 80 mangoes. Now he has to earn 240 rupees by selling 80 mangoes. That means he will have to sell the mangoes at 240 upon 80. That is rupees 3 per mango.